In this video, I will explain the approval options for proposals. The first option, automatically lock the proposal when approved. If this is turned on, then the proposal will be locked right here automatically by the act of approving the proposal. You can always just manually lock it as well, but that's an automation that can be made from the approval. The second option, when adding an approval to the proposal, only people associated with the company assigned to the proposal will appear in the selection input. Normally, when you make an approval, unless you're using a template, you would be able to see many different people to send the approval to. If you have this turned on, then only people that are in the company that the proposal is attached to will show up in the approvals. So I think if you're using proposals and you want the client to approve it, you would choose this option.